From the summit of the highest heavens to the deepest hells, not a single being can escape death. There are countless beings in the 6 realms. The number of all beings is much more than the 6.5 billion humans on Earth. Nevertheless, none of the beings can escape death. Nobody has ever seen anyone or heard of anyone in any realm, even in the worlds of the gods, who was born but never died. In fact, there is absolutely no doubt about whether death will eventually come or not. The Collection of Impermanence says, neither in the space nor in the sea, nor in the mountains and forests, there is no such a place where the Lord of Death won't reach. The original vows of Ketigarbha Bodhisattva Sutra says, the great ghost of impermanence arrives at an unscheduled time. Death never sets an appointment with anyone. It often comes unexpectedly and takes our lives. If one generates conviction about this, it will surely practice diligently and won't become lazy day after day